could be the reason behind faster melting of Himalayan glaciers. This has been reported by a new study by the Dinersha Center for Climate Change of the Indian Institute of Sciences in Bangalore. The report is the result of a study of the Baspa basin in Himachal Pradesh, and here is what the report says.
The onslaught of climate change on the climate of the Himalayas and the forests in its lap are creating major problems every passing day. A recent research by some Indian scientists has revealed new facts that are truly worrying. What has emerged is that the black carbon particles emanating in large volumes due to forest fires are proving ruinous for the Himalayan glaciers. Not just that, this menace can also seriously impact the water flow of the glacial rivers. The study of black carbon impact on Himalayan glaciers has been conducted by the Dinersha Center for Climate Change under the Indian Institute of Sciences. In the course of the study, an analysis of Himachal Pradesh's Baspa river basin as it existed in 2009 has been done. The findings show that those glaciers on which black carbon had been deposited in the months of April and May of that year show poor reflective power of the sun's rays. This has worried the researchers involved in the project, as this can cause glacial retreat or even melting of the glaciers.
The study was carried out in Baspa basin, which is located into the Himachal Pradesh, and in this study we have tried to understand the effect of black carbon on the accumulation area of glaciers. Accumulation area of any glacier is important because that is where the snow gets converted into ice, and that region is affected because of black carbon, because it is covered with the seasonal snow. Seasonal snow has normally high albedo, and because of that it absorbs the less solar radiation. If black carbon gets deposited on the snow, its reflectance reduces quite significantly.
In Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, and all the states that fall in the western and central segments of the Himalayas, incidences of major forest fire during May and June are very frequent. This leads to heavy emissions of black carbon particles in the air. These particles get deposited on the glaciers at the lower reaches of the mountains. These black carbon particles have much higher powers of absorbing sunlight than any other chemical salt. This can lead to depletion of the glaciers of up to 1 meter in depth in these glaciers. The glaciers most threatened by this phenomenon are those which are at lower depths, ranging from 30 meters to 50 meters. These are the glaciers which are the major sources of water for the rivers down here.